Bloody bro, nobody is talking about this. In this generation that we are living, nobody is, nobody have a topic like this out here that they are discussing or sharing ideas. You understand? But every young guy needs to hear this wherever you are. Out here, we are, mastering the flow of the universal giving energy. The energy that makes us who we are. You understand? Every young guy needs to hear this. Bloody bro, we are losing this generation. These young guys growing up, we are losing them, slowly. You need to know what time it is. Bloody bro, if all of these guys know how to retain their seed, and make it beneficial, this world will be a better place to live. You understand? You need to know what time it is. If you are new out here watching me, I want to let you know that I go by the name Nana Entry. And out here, we are seriously mastering the flow of the universal giving energy. So if you click on this channel, you need to know that you are my bloody bro automatically. You understand? As I said in the beginning, that a lot of people, a lot of these young guys, if they know how to retain their seed and make it beneficial in their lives, this world will be a better place to live. And nobody doing this. I went out the other time and made videos. I hope if you follow me, you've watched it. My last video, you understand? I made how people, I went out to ask people if they know about semen retention. I went out to ask them their ideas about semen retention, and I was shocked with the kind of reactions that I got. That a lot of these young guys, they do not know what semen retention is. They do not know how, retaining keeping this energy inside of you, how it works, how important it is in the life of a man. This is what is going to build you up as a man. This is what makes, what makes you a man. That is why when you throw away your energy, when you do SES a lot, you turn into feminine. You become soft. You understand? When you keep this energy inside of you, there is this, vibration inside of you that makes you want to go ahead. That makes you want to complete things. You understand? If you are a young guy growing up, you go to school, you understand, you have a talent, you play football, you are a musician, or there is nothing out here that you are doing that if you put it on your mind and on your heart to retain your energy, I will not even say semen, to retain your energy, it will be beneficial for you. If you go to school, you are going to win in your school. When you are retaining your seed on semen retention and you are memorizing something, it's easy. Bloody bro, you are going to be sharp. You understand? As a musician, you are going to be creative. Me out here making videos, there are a lot of ideas on my mind that, sometimes I just want to slow things down. I have a lot of ideas that comes in my mind, creative ideas that I want to, accomplish out here. Bloody bro, I'm out here talking about semen retention because it is the real deal out here. The universe moves with energy, and this energy, we have the raw energy, the godlike energy. And what is the godlike energy? The godlike energy, we say each and every day in our videos, the godlike energy is the energy that created everything. That is the source where everything came from. Bloody bro, we have that energy inside of us. We are creative beings out here. In the Bible, it says he created us in his own image. Who is he? God. The omnipotent God created us in his own image. Bloody bro, if you are watching me, I just want to, pinpoint this idea that you need to retain your seed, retain your semen. Do not bust one out. Do not watch the hub. Do not stroke your anaconda. It will be beneficial to you. I know what I am talking about. If you are serious to be the man that you want to be, if you are serious to go ahead in life, bloody bro, you need to retain your seed. You need to make your energy beneficial in your life. This is very serious out here that these young guys, yes, when I did the interview, what I got to realize is it's English, semen retention. So they understand the English words. semen retention. They understand, but they do not know what it is, how to do that. You understand? And they do not know the beneficiary of this. They just love the feeling that comes with busting one out. They just love the feeling, of chasing these women. And you understand? That is what is going on out here, and the universe, the matrix is promoting it. You know, I met when I was walking around, interviewing people, I met an older man, who is an African. I got to realize that he's from where I am from. He's a Ghanaian. And out here, bloody bro, I'll always tell you that in Italy, it is very hard to speak English or find someone who speaks English. English is not their language out here. So when I found that man, he didn't speak English, So I talked to him. In my language, so I cannot post what he said. But he said he has never met a young guy talking like this. You understand? And this, if I am talking like this, I am just, bloody bro, I'm gonna be raw with you. If I post the video, nobody is going to understand the language, and I should have posted it. He told me straight that I am preaching the word of God. This is what the man said. Bloody bro, because what is the word of God? The word of God is life. You understand? The word of God gives life. The word of God, is the vital, and is the source of life. So when he watched me, I was asking him questions. I wanted him to, give us some game, because he was an older man. He said he's like 50 years old, I think. 50, 60 years old. So when I explained it to him, he understood. And he was surprised that he find a young guy like me talking like this. You understand? He found a young guy talking like that, and he said, this is the raw gospel out there. He was just like that. And he told me that my earrings and all the, how my earrings will make people judge me, but I am doing the right thing. You understand? He did not, buddy bro, he was really happy with what I said. And to these young guys, when I was going out asking these people their ideas about,
yeah bro, how are you?
When I was asking these young guys, trying to talk to them and have interaction with them, bloody bro, there are a lot of videos that I did not post out here. A lot of these young guys, some were running away. You understand? They wanted to do the interview. I went to them. I said I want to make, I am a YouTuber. I want to make interview. They said, okay, let's do what you want to do. And when I start and the conversation is semen retention, masturbation, and all of that, they run away. They say, no, I will not do that. But bro, people are afraid to talk about this. The deadly, thing that they do behind closed doors. They are afraid to talk about this. And this is the solution. You understand? We need to talk to people, and we will know the solution. But bro, they were running away. A lot of them, I remember. When I start asking them, they will just, because I will not hide. This is the reason why I am making videos, semen retention. So if I am making interview, I will not beat around the bush. I will go straight to the point, and they run away. But bro, and this is the disease killing humanity. The incurable disease killing people out here that nobody is talking about. As I said, if people are free to talk about this, the world will be a better place, because this is the incurable disease. You understand? You go to the hospital and you sit down with the doctor and you tell the doctor what your problem. I am this, my hand is paining me, my head, my stomach, this. You tell all your problems to the doctor, and you leave the source of your problem. The doctor also do not know. But bro, out here, this is the solution to humanity. If you are a young guy, as I said, and you want to win in life, you need to retain your seed. You need to make sure that you are not busting one out, and that your energy, your semen that is inside of you, you are making very good use of it, and it will be beneficial in your life. It will be beneficial. This beneficial word I cannot stop saying in my videos, because retaining your seed, bloody bro, when that video reaction that I made, go and watch my last video. It has really, not as I said, I did not post all the videos that I made. You know, a lot of them did not want to talk to me because I was talking about semen retention. They loved it. It is not like they did not want to. They love it, but they are, shy. They are afraid to, let people know that this is their problem. Brother, bro, they have this saying that a problem shared is a problem solved. I've forgotten, but that is how it is. If you have a problem and you share it with people, you've already solved your problem. You know, if you keep this inside of you, brother, bro, that is why we do it behind closed doors. We switch off our TV, our light, and we kill ourselves in darkness. That is why we are all dark out here. If you want to be in light, if you want to switch on this light, the only way you have to do it is to retain your seed. You understand? If you want to go ahead in life, is to have your energy inside of you. It is only we human beings that we do this to ourselves. You will not find, an animal who is doing what? Bossing one out, or who is not making good use of his energy or its energy. It is only as human beings that we think that we are, human beings. We are bigger and greater than all these creations, but we are killing ourselves. We do not know what to do with ourselves and our energy. If you are watching me as a young guy, I just want to talk to the young guys, because these young guys are the next generation. If they know what they are doing, as me out here, I have gotten this knowledge. I said it in my video one time that the people that are coming after me, like my nephews, my cousins, and all of these people coming after me, they will have good news to hear. I will know how to let them know how to move about in their lives. You understand, bloody bro? It is very beneficial. I do not want to make this video long. If you are watching me out here, I am seriously out here. You understand? It is, I do not just switch on the camera and just want to say whatever that I want to say. It is real out here. You need to know what time it is. Out here, nobody is seriously doing anything. You understand? If people are afraid to talk about their problems, bloody bro, you need to know that they ain't doing anything. They are just ready to die. They have accepted, they've signed their sacrifice. They are sacrificing themselves. The matrix has been programmed to kill these young guys. The matrix has been programmed to be in darkness. So if you want to be in light, you need to gravitate to light. You understand? And what is light? Everything that is positive. Whatever that your mind tells you, you know, we human beings, we know intuitionally, we know deep down the things that we do, we know that it is not good. Busting one out. I'm gonna be raw with you. You should, brother, bro. I don't know if these guys were running away. I start the interview, I start talking about this. They get the idea, they understand a little bit, and they say no. They don't want to make the interview because I am, putting them out. You understand? Yesterday I did a lot of education, like young guys. You understand? I meet them. There is this young guy who did not make the video, but he accepted it that I should explain it to him. You need to know what time it is, bloody bro. Do not follow the flow. That is why we are out here creating our own flow and mastering it. You need to know what time it is. That 7 days make 1 week, bloody bro, and 4 weeks make 1 month, bloody bro. 12 months make a year, and all of this time you need to know whenever you are lonely or you need a bloody bro, you need to come out here and know that we are out here each and every day, 24/7, mastering the flow of the universal giving energy. As I say, each and every day, it's all day, like every day, bloody bro. Ha ha.